Hello everyone, back in the garage obviously. Time for another sign. So, I got these boards from, you guessed it, my buddy Sid. This is a tree that's been cut down, and you won't see this at like a regular lumber yard. This board is 1 inch thick and whatever size the tree was, and it's very, very rough. I don't know if you can see it. It's called rough sawn. That's what happens when it goes through a mill. I don't know if the camera will pick it up, but this is way thicker than like, well, not way thicker, but it's thicker than like if you bought a 1x10, a 1x12. It's probably a eighth, half inch, quarter inch thicker. But anyway, I am going to make another sign for a friend. So I'm trying to figure out my best course of action here and what sizes I wanted, because I can make it whatever size I want. I don't know what size I need. So I'm trying to decide. I have another one here. You can see this guy. This is man, this thing is heavy. I mean, it hasn't been kiln dry or anything. I think I really like the color in this, and it doesn't have too many knots. But I think what I'm going to do is make up a sign from this piece. This has a nice red. I mean, you can see just color differences in nature. I mean, that's literally, one's red, one's more pine. I think they're both pine. So what I'm going to do here is, see, this one's going to be too short. This one's alright, but it's kind of got a crack in it, so maybe I can use that for something else. But yeah, I'm gonna use this. Let's do this. Hopefully my camera will stay. Excuse me, by the way. So this is 43. If I make a 20-inch wide sign, I don't know. That's what I'm debating here. Is am I going to cut this in half, glue that end down here, and make? I mean, it'll give me a sign that's 20 by, well, basically 20 by 20. This board's 10 and a half. Yeah, it would be just 20 by 20. Which I'm not sure if I want square or a rectangle. I made this up. This one was what I was going to start with. And yeah, this is 20. I think I really want it more rectangular than I have it. I want it more rectangular than square. I don't know why I think signs should be a rectangle than a square. But the problem is I don't have enough extra over here. This one is even bigger. This is 12 by, yeah, see, I could make it right out of that. 12 by 24. Then I don't gotta glue it or anything. It should be just big enough. And as you can see, I mean, it's only a little bit bigger than this board. And I don't really want to use this board and glue them together because this is a nice red, you can see, and this is a whiter pine. I have this one who's almost more towards that color, but this is a smaller board. This is only like a 10-inch board. Yeah. I think I might just make it out of this. Actually, I'm sorry. Make it out of this. 12 inches wide and 1 inch thick. So that should be pretty nice, actually. I'm gonna go with that. And apparently whoever was cutting these did a darn nice job because they are pretty darn square. And I think 24 inches should be pretty good. Yeah, if I do 24, then that's a good size. That's a good size. I like that. So we're going to go with 24. If I could say 24 again. 24. And we've got our square. Square always helps with everything, especially when you're old and blind like me, because nothing works. Yeah, that'll work. That'll work real good. I'm going to go set up the radial arm again so I can cut this, and we'll get right back to you. Thanks for stopping by, guys.